Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Here in the 4 o'clock hour, wind continues to buffet the area and we have significant gusts. And we are just closing the book on a first alert weather day today as this system is on its way out of the region. The fact is, though, we're going to continue with an unsettled pattern over the next several days here across the valley. You're looking at our core wind camera there in the FM area. Those winds still gusting to 46 miles per hour in Fargo. That's why it is shaking. 47 in Jamestown for the gust at the latest reading, and in Oaks 48 miles per hour. Those winds have been very stout and robust along the I-94 corridor toward the cities in Alexandria as well. And if you saw the video at the top of the newscast just south of Benson, right down in here, that's where we saw those snow rollers today. So it takes a pretty strong and persistent wind to start the little clump of snowflakes a-rolling and creating those big snow balls or snow rollers. Temperatures below freezing to the east means, yes, we could have some slippery conditions. And in fact, we still have some snow showers taking place in eastern Minnesota, and those are getting sloshed back into central Minnesota. Temperatures warm, though. Look at Roseau. You have 43 degrees, 35 in Grand Forks, and 39 in Jamestown. Oaks and Sisseton both in the upper 30s as well. Some sunshine returning where you see the dark colors there, not far from Grand Forks. Peaks of sun in Roseau County may be explaining some of your warmer temperatures. Some rain showers through the James River Valley. Those are swiftly moving south in our gusty north winds. Here's a batch of snow that was near Fargo is working its way down along the I-29 corridor. It's hit and miss in variety really, but reduced visibilities. Notice the majority of the activity in eastern Minnesota for Duluth and Minneapolis. So if you are driving in these directions, not only is the temperature dropping to freezing or below, and we could have slippery spots, but we also have periods of reduced visibility down towards a mile at times. Your hour-by-hour forecast for tonight shows these yellow arrows. You can kind of watch your hometown area. If you see yellow arrows, it's gusting over 40 miles per hour. That continues through the evening, but by 10 o'clock we see green arrows. What's that mean? 35 mile per hour gusts or a little better in isolated spots. So the wind continues, but the snow is out of here. Minus renegade flurries. Clouds remain too. And overnight, we could even see the onset of some areas of low clouds and fog where you see the dark colors here near Langdon. Watch for that. Winds 15 to 35 miles per hour. The gustiest wind will be in the Southern Valley, the Red River Valley, and into central and southern Minnesota. Temperatures in the 20s mean any wet roads, sidewalks, decks, and the like will be icy. Take it slow. The last couple of mornings, we've had way too many folks ending up in the ditch. We don't want that to happen to you. Look at this. Sunshine spreads through midday. Temperatures are going to be slow to warm in areas that have snow. We've showed you all of the photos that you've shared from Lakes Country where we have anywhere from 7 to 11 inches of snow on the ground. That's going to go to work, that sun will, on melting it. But look at this. Still gusting over 30 miles per hour across much of Minnesota. Temperatures 40 to 45. For your afternoon on Friday. So we're going in the right direction, but it's going to be deceivingly warm thanks to all the gusty winds. Finally, late in the day, temperatures will, well, they'll warm up, but it does look like the wind starts to taper off late in the day as well. Temperatures only in the 30s where we're melting some of those snowballs in the snow roller piles. Temperatures in Fargo, 28 to start, below freezing. Ramp it up into the low 40s for our afternoon. Briefly, we will see increasing sun and eventually decreasing wind, but it's going to be a day where you're going to want to use at least a few extra pumps of hairspray. First alert weather day, Sunday. Then again, Wednesday and Thursday. Couple different systems moving through. We want to give you a first alert to the Sunday system. A fast mover, not as much wind as this. Could be some areas of mix, rain, and some could get some measurable snow. Keep that in mind. Wednesday and Thursday, though, a major storm will roll out of the Rockies again. Much like the last couple of Wednesdays, this will be the third in a row. We're watching this for the potential for wind and areas of heavy snow. And that is just doggone wild, our weather. Rachel, thank you for your Holly photo of your puppy there playing with the bocce ball. So there's your first alert weather day on Sunday. Now temperatures in the 40s. Briefly for some of us, we won't get that high. Looks like one nice day in there, 52 on Monday. Then after that, we prep for the next system. This time of year, Stacy, we want to reiterate, it gets very challenging with temperatures, and 1 or 2 degrees can be critical whether you get several inches of snow or you just have to get the squeegee out, and we will keep you advised here.
Our good days on a Monday. What a waste, Hutch.
Well, it's a hint, yeah.
Yeah.
I got a tickle in my throat, boss.
Yeah, exactly. All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Well, get ready for some severe weather. The Tropical Meteorology Project team at Colorado State University released its hurricane forecast, and it's not good. They're predicting 19 named storms this season. That's 5 more than normal, and 9, they say, are expected to become hurricanes. Forecasters also say advances in satellite technology have enabled them to detect weaker storms that they previously wouldn't have known about. There may be snow on the ground, but the state of Minnesota is getting ready for severe summer weather with statewide tornado drills today. The National Weather Service and local agencies are doing 2 tornado warning drills as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. One was at 1:45 this afternoon. The other is tonight at 6:45.